Hi, Glenn here from GMT Pointing Specialist Limited. Right, so I'll take that back out. So a common mistake people are using with these hods is, I use finger trowels. What they're doing is they're picking it up with the wrong side of the trowel so they can't get it in. So what you need to do is have your handle towards you and the flat end towards the wall. So if I'm doing any perps, just half your hod and then take that out. But you don't spin your hod. What you do is you force your mortar into the hod and pick it up. So you force it into the hod, so when it comes out a triangle shape, so it squeezes back to the void like that. You need to get that sound. And obviously if I'm doing any of the horizontal joints, what you can do, make sure the back of your hod's clean, put your hod against the wall, and then I'm right-handed, so I'll work from right to left. I don't know if you can see that. I'll tilt it down, but what you do is you kind of have it level. I'll tilt it down so you can see what I'm doing. Right, broken bit of brick, take that out. Bit of pointing in. So, get the sound and fill up all your joints. Overfill them like that so you've got little ears. So I'll show you in another video of how to finish it off.